Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and I'm here sa aking hotel room in Cavite. We're here in Nobeleta, in Cavite. Dito sa El Palacio Hotel. We're preparing for tomorrow's Regatta Water Festival in Cavite City. So, ba't ako nagpa-vlog for biglaan, no? So, I'm going to feature some of my gadgets na gagamitin for the Regatta Festival. For example, it's a Basaan Water Festival celebrating yung kay John the Baptist, no? So, it's a festival here in Cavite City na talagang nagbuhusan ng tubig, no? At nalaman ko na yung water na ginagamit nila dito is blessed ng pare ng simbahan. So, yung water is very special. So, parang it's a grand baptism na parang gano'n, no? Parang niblesan ka ng biyaya. At yung mga bad lucks nyo sa inyong buhay, sa katawan, mawawala daw. So, kaya pala marami pupunta dito sa Regatta Festival in Cavite City. So, it's Basaan, no? So, mababasa ka. Napanood ko yung video ni Jessica Lee. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Grabe! Oh my gulay! Ganun lakas ng tubig dyan, ah.
Hindi nga iPhone?
Oo, iPhone.
Ang ayaw ko siguro.
Oo, diba? Splash lang naman yan, eh. Pretty Jessica Lee. GoPro, naka-GoPro siya. O, nakita niyo yung video niya, yung vlog niya from last year, 2024 Regatta Festival. Talagang basa, nakita ko gamit niya is an iPhone, GoPro camera, tsaka meron siyang shooter na naka-Sony, na naka-plastic yung mirrorless camera niya. No? I think it's a full-frame camera, I think, no? Na naka-plastic. At I guess the lens is weather sealed, so kahit mabasa yung lens niya, okay na. But yung camera is naka-plastic. That's added protection. So, ano bang gagamitin kong camera? Pang document, pang video, pang picture ko sa Regatta Festival na hindi ako mag-worry kung masisira ba siya kasi kailangan ko ng camera na waterproof. Hindi ako nakadapagdala ng action camera. Hindi rin ako nagdala ng cellphone or phone casing na pang waterproof. But dala ko yung aking trusted na waterproof phones tulad ng Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G at Oppo Reno 13. Itong dalawang smartphone na to, talagang subok-subok ko na for underwater photography, underwater video, pictures, video, kahit mabasa siya. Actually, pinagsuswimming ko nga siya. To take underwater shots, to take video. Talagang subok ko na. Ito yung gagamitin kong phones to shoot the Regatta Festival. Hindi na ako nagdala ng Fujifilm camera kasi Fujifilm camera ko, the X-T200 is not weather sealed. But yung lens na ginagamit ko, weather sealed. Kahit mabasa yung lens, hindi siya masira. But yung camera masira. Hindi naman siya pwede. I'll be using the Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G for tomorrow. Baka itong Oppo, pag si Aaron, tutulog dito. Tulog na pala si Aaron. Nagising pa. Naka-iPhone kasi siya eh. Baka kaya ko sa kanya itong Oppo Reno 13 pang waterproof. So, para naman itong iPhone naman yung tsura niya. But I'm going to use the Realme 14 Pro kasi malaki yung screen. I like this malaking screen. But, ang gandalong isip ako kasi this vlog is shot on Honor Magic V3, yung foldable smartphone ko. Yung foldable smartphone ko is waterproof din, splash-proof na rin din. At pwede siya itong gamitin. Kasi by the way, I'm shooting using the rear camera. So, ito yung itsura niyan. Naka-flip yung screen dahil meron na rin ako nabiling binabili kong parang holder para sa phone na ito yung itsura niya. Nakita niyo ba? Yung itsura niya. That's my Honor Magic V3 na merong mount na for smartphones. So, ito yung itsura niyan. Naka-mount siya sa, naka-open, naka-tablet format siya. So, I can see myself while vlogging sa rear camera ng Honor Magic V3. Also, dala ko naman din si Honor 400 5G. I'll be using it for photography or pwede ako mag-AI. Pagagalawin ko yung mga images. For example, using this. At backup ko na rin din, maybe going there, mag-vlog ako using this. O, kasi ginagamit ko na rin din si Honor Magic V3 ko ngayon for vlogging kasi I'm trying to stay away from another brand na sasoli ko na. Tsaka hindi ko siya magamit in full vlog kasi itong Honor Magic V3 bigay na ni Honor to. Kaya I'm using it. Napakaganda niya. Kinakailangan ko ng telephoto zoom. Meron siya. The specs is very good. Also, I also have my DJI Neo drone. I'll be using this for kung sakasakali maganda yung weather. No? Walang ulan, walang hangin, maganda yung weather. I can do some aerial shots. Na hindi ganun kataas. Baka mababa lang. Kasi hindi naman niya kaya yung... Kaya naman niya yung mataas, but hindi ako confident sa area na to kasi puro dagat yung paligid ng Cavite City. Tsaka maraming sa residential areas, maraming mga wire shot, mga bahay. Pag may mga open space, I will try to fly my drone. Kuha tayo ng aerial shots to add as B-roll for our vlog. Hindi ko pa alam kung paano ko gawin itong vlog for the Regatta Festival, but it's my first time to do this vlog documentation, documenting my experience. At kanina, nag-press con kami with Mayor Denver Reyes Chua, the Cavite City Mayor. So,
we hope that everyone will enjoy their time in our small city, and hopefully you can see the beauty in Cavite City, and hopefully by tomorrow, once you experience the Regatta Water Festival, you can encourage other promoters or tour groups or influencers to come and visit Cavite City and see how beautiful this place is. At
talagang ang ganda ng kanyang explanation about Regatta Festival. Alam niya lahat naman makikita. Talagang information overload kami kanina. At I was planning to do a post coverage ngayon, pero sabi ko hindi na kaya. Hindi na kaya, parang pumunta na lang kami ito para magpahinga kasi medyo maulan din kanina sa pahinga. Nag-coffee na ako. It's already around 12 a.m. Matutulog na ako at kagising kami mamaya ng 6 a.m. for the breakfast and prepare for the Regatta Festival here in Cavite City. Medyo na-weirdoan kayo, no? Ito yung setup ko, no? Wala akong microphone. I'm using the Honor Magic V3 na may noise reduction. Kaya marinig yung aking voice na very clear. At yun yung naririnig yung ingay ng aircon. So, ayun. I'll be grabbing my Realme 14 Pro Plus 5G, Oppo Reno 13 5G, Honor 400 5G, and my DJI Neo. So I'll be using this to cover the Regatta Festival. Wala tayong dalang mirrorless camera. Also, I'm using the Ulanzi MT44 tripod, but di ko siya gagamitin. I'll be using a plastic version of my tripod. Ito siya. This is from Xiaomi 14T. This is a plastic tripod. So, I'll be using din kasi parang hindi siya makakalawangin. Kasi ito, plastic, mabasa siya. Okay lang. Pero itong Ulanzi MT44, hindi ko siya pwede mabasa. Kasi pag nabasa siya, magsa-stock kakalawangin. Pangit na yung performance niya. Alright, so matutulog na ako. No? Maraming salamat for watching. This is a very quick vlog na kung saan I'll be parang ngayon ko lang ulit ginawa itong gano'n. Maybe in the future, no? Before I go into a trip, kwento ko na lang sa inyo ano ba yung mga gadgets na gagamitin ko. No? Para i-expect nyo sa output ng aking vlog documentary, no? O vlog, travel vlog, na yun yung ginamit kong phones to cover those travel experiences. Alright, so tulog na kami ni Aaron at bukas basaan, sisipunin kami sigurado. So sana it's a good weather tomorrow. No? Maulan okay lang, maaraw okay lang, may sunblock naman kami. At sana safe kaming lahat, no? Walang mangyayaring something terrible, no? For fun. So let's pray for safety. Let's pray for a success. Regatta Water Festival here in Cavite City. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Alright, kita-kits. Happy Regatta Festival, Cavite City.